In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue with the black display for the Audi A7 or A8. When you open up a display, basically the radio, it works fine, all the function works fine, but the monitor is all black. The problem is not actually the LCD itself. There is an issue with the wiring for the power to the display. And so I will show you how to remove the monitor and then fix the wiring for the display. The tools that you need is just this blue dashboard removal tool and then size 8mm socket. The first step, you remove these two side covers next to the steering column. They just pop out, and then there is another one on the driver's side. You just need to pop it out. These are already, by the way, loose. I'm just showing it for the demo. And the next thing you do, just pop out this cover on top of the steering column. And the next step, you pop out the cover around the monitor above the vent. I have 4 clips, 2 on each side. And then here there are 2 screws which holds the air conditioning vent, and then there are 2 screws which holds the monitor. We remove these 2 screws first and pop out the AC vent. And there are just 2 connectors you can just disconnect in order to put the AC vent out of the way. You have one on the driver's side, and then this wire, which is very short and is hard to get to, is on the passenger side. And there are also 2 screws to hold the monitor, one on the right and one on the left. You need, there's also 8mm. You need to get those out too in order to get the monitor out. And here is the harness which need to get fixed for the power to the monitor, and this is the actual plug which is missing the power. I already replaced that wires which always goes bad, so this is basically the new wire that I put in there. These are the 2 connectors which go to the monitor. This is for the data and the information, and this is the one which carries the power to the monitor. So it has only 2 wires, as you can see. And once you go further down, and you have to unwrap the cover for the harness, when you go further down, like about 3 inches, then you can see this is where the wire is just disconnected. So this brown one is the ground, and the one with the yellow, red and the blue stripe is the power. So you should have, if you check with your test light or the voltmeter, you should have 12 volt over here. And what you need to do, you need to splice these 2 wires back to the brown goes to the brown, and the blue one goes to the blue one. You can splice them together. The best thing would be soldering them together. If you use the silicone wires, they are very flexible and they hardly break. The reason that they broke, because the Audi uses the very stiff and hard material for the wires, so when it's opening and closing, causing this unit to get cut like that. Here, as you can see, I replaced the wire all the way from half an inch from the plug. It's like about almost a foot of soft wire, and I spliced it at this section all the way here. I resoldered everything and then I covered them with the shrinking tool on both sides, and now it's good. So this won't happen with this wire because the wire that I use is much softer than the original wire. So in some cases when this wire gets cut, you might have a blown fuse too, because the ground shorts out the power, and then you might have a blown fuse too. So in case if you check with the test light and you do not have any 12 volt in these wires, you need to replace the fuse in the fuse box. And if you cannot fix this wire by yourself, we are located in Van Nuys, California. So if you are local, you can come over here to our facility and then we can fix this wiring for your car. We are in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085. Thank you.